Okay, here comes Moreno. Nice pass to shot. Moreno. 2 points by Mr. Moreno. Score is 2-0. Boy naman, here comes Mr. Bautista, number 13. Pull up. No good. Rebound by Avalos. To Mundina. Mundina. 2 points by Mr. Brian. Here comes the Magician. Rebound by Panadera. Panadera. All the way. 2 points by Mr. Avi Panadera. Now Mr. Magician, the number 1. John Frank. Arrest by Mr. Medina. Pass to number 17. The Surgeon. The Surgeon. Nice pass. Nice pass to Mr. Shaq. The Shaq attack ulit doon. 2 points. Bautista. Oh, steal.
Hey, awesome.
Red ball. Good defense. That's a steal by Mr. Magician Jumper. Here comes the Surgeon. Surgeon. Okay, steal by San Miguel. Oh, Aras. Hey, Aras. It is. Okay. Same ball, blue ball.
Blue ball.
Here comes Bautista. Pass to Avalos. Oh, intercepted. Oh, recover back. Oh.
Hey, no.
Sabo! Nakaligtas ka. Tatakbo ka na pabalik. Here comes the Surgeon up. Just by Mr. Moreno. Okay, recovered by the Magician, John Frank. Behind the back, steal. Here comes Mr. Mondina, number 25. Pass to Bautista for 3. 3 points by Mr. Bautista. Good pass, Mr. Punisher. Alright, here comes Mr. number 17. Number 17. Pass to the Shaq. Shaq attack. Okay, galing mag 3-point point Mr. Shaq. Pass to Patty. Bismarck. Nice to Reno. Oh, no ball. It's okay. Let's go. Panadera. Pass to Mondina for 3. Rebound by Mondina and pass to wala. Okay, turn over. Here comes Mr. Magician. Pass to Shaq. Shaq. Oh, Shaq ulit doon. Exhibition. Oh, nice pass to Moreno. Rebound by Shaq. Ang lakas po ng rebound na yun. No call. Alright. Turnover. Here comes Mr. Bautista. Bautista, nice pass to San Miguel. To Avalos for 3 shots. Nothing but air. Here comes Bismarck. Oh, red ball.
Sub na.
Okay, Mr. 17, the Surgeon. Nice pass to Badi. Back to the Surgeon for 3. No good. Rebound by San Miguel. San Miguel pass to Bautista. Nice pass to Panadera. 2 points. Nice assist, Mr. Bautista. Panadera. Ba't kilala ni Avalos? Si Panadera. Rebound by Bautista. So all the way, Mr. Bautista, time out. Okay, here comes Moreno. Ang ganda ng salaksak mo, Mr. Moreno. Another 2 points for you. Okay, here comes number 25, Ryan, the puncher. Wala yung bola. Here comes Mr. Bautista. Whoa! Foul! Nagkagulo. Yeah. Nice. First foul. Shot. Number 12.
Yeah.
First foul, Mr. Shot, and first team foul. Pumasok ba yung alright. Here comes Mr. Teleriman. Nice pass to the surgeon. Ganda ng ikot niya. Nice pass to Shakuliton. Oh, rebound by Moreno. Okay, galing ng pasabit. Foul, Mr. Alfie Banadera. That's your first foul. First team foul. Okay. Moreno, nice pick.
17.
Okay, offensive foul for the Blue Ballers. Mr. The Surgeon. Here comes Mr. Bautista. Nice pass to San Miguel. Rebound. Nawala pa yung bola by Banadera. Okay, here comes Bautista. Left-handed move. Ang ganda smooth move ni Mr. Bautista na yun. Mr. Magician, pass to Surgeon. Here comes Alfie, rebound. Nice pass to Medina, nawala. Block by Bulindon. Alright, here comes the Magician. Pass to Moreno. Moreno. Recover by Mr. Teleriman. Was that a jump ball? It's a blue ball. Here comes Mr. Bautista. Bautista, pass to Medina. Good defense. Rebound by Bulindon. Depensa na. Siya pang naka-rebound. Bulindon, foul. Foul with Jaco. Mr. Avalos, Jason, that's your first foul.
Good job.
Nice.
Hey, what's up, Mr. G. Mazinda? Okay, one shot. Okay. Okay. So, isa lang yun, rep. One point lang, ha? Mr. Colindon, 1 point lang po napasok. Magaling tong si Mr. Colindon, eh. Pag na bata. Look at that, 3-point shot by Medina. Wala po sa linya ngayon ang tira ni Mr. Medina. Okay, 9 ball. Ang galing ni Mr. Jason or Jaco Avalos. Here comes Bautista for 3. Magandang basing ni Mr. Nico. Another 3 points for you, Mr. Nico Bautista. Okay, Bulindon. Wow. Nice pass to Mr. Moreno. Moreno, pasabit. Rebound by San Miguel. Power rebound po. Nice pass to Mr. Medina. 2 points again. Here comes 3 points by the Magician. pala. Alright? Two points by ano? Here comes Mr. Moreno. Nice pass to Patty for three. No good. Rebound by Paisan. Ito na si Mr. Paisan. Lakas po ng rebound and power rebound, Mr. Paisan. Okay, Medina. Screen by Mr. Rodriguez. 3 points by Medina. Rebound by the Surgeon. Nagpamadali Mr. The Surgeon. The Surgeon. Tumigil. He sets the ball. Nice pass to Mr. Rodriguez. Oh, great foul! Bagong pasok si Mr. Panadera. Bagong foul din. First foul, Mr. Panadera. Ay, Vergara. Denver Vergara. Sorry, Mr. Alti. Magkamukha kasi kayo. Natatamay ka na. First shot by Mr. Clinton is no good. Let's see the second one. The second one is through. Clinton. Because Mr. Brian, the puncher pass to Paisan, to Vergara. Nice pass to Lino Rodriguez! Ang ganda ng mga pasa na yun ni Mr. Vergara. Parang si, hindi ko maintindihan kung sino. Okay, loose ball. Turnover. Okay. Great start. Up. You have to set the defense. It's turnover. You have to hold the ball. Hold the ball. Turnover, hold the ball. Alright. Here comes Mr. Brian Mondina. Screen by Mr. Lee Rodriguez. Nice pass to... Oh, another 3 points by Mr. Bautista. That's Mr. Magician, pass to Bismarck Batty. Bismarck, nice pass to Magician for 2. 2 points by Del Riman. Okay, ikaw Bautista, behind the back. Oh, nice pass to Denver Vergara for 3 points by Denver. Nice 2 points, move. Nice move there by Mr. The Surgeon. 2 points. Sargento. That's your first 3 points. Paisan. Up, stepping Mr. Paisan.
May witness ako no? May witness ako, di ba? Oh.
Hindi lang.
The heart. Mr. Hard to get. Hardy Paisan. 3 points by Sargento. Wow. 3 points shot, Mr. Sargento. Here comes the Bautista. Nice run. Oh! Sayang po. Ang ganda ng moves na yan. Here comes Mr. Surgeon. 2 points by Mr. Surgeon. Substitution from Delbo, Mr. KP. Brian. Nice pass to Bautista. Tagay po kumarma. No good. Rebound by Moreno. Steal. The Surgeon. Foul by Mr. Hart again. That's how. Second. Oh yeah. Kainan niya. Ito si Mr. Kai Moreno player ng Kainan to dati. Kainan sa Slam Dunk. Pumasok ba first? Okay, second shot is no good. Rebound by Clinton! Another offensive rebound by steal by Sini na. First action, Sergeant, 2 points. Time out. Reminders, bawal po food inside. Bawal.
Haba, walang time out. Ayun na, dire-diretso eh.
Here comes Banadera. Foul by Mr. Moreno. That's your first foul. Yeah, man. Mr. Banadera, good. The second shot, good again. Ganda na puso nitong si Mr. Banadera ngayon, ha? Here comes the surgeon. Oh, no good. Rebound by Mr. San Miguel. Banadera. Oh, yeah. Oh, pass to Denver Vergara. Nice pass to San Miguel. KP Abaygar. Ang galing ng pasa ni Mr. San Miguel na yun. Parang Team Dandan. Mr. Bati, Miss Mark. Steal by Mr. Nice pass to Lee Rodriguez. Rebound by San Miguel. And one.
Holy! Bullshit, Lee.
Rebound by Mr. Oh, pass to Mr. Delarian. Black. I think it's a black. Here comes KP Abaygar. Steal. Oh, na-steal na. Natuluyan na. Oh, dalawa. Nice pass to Mr. Surgeon for 3. No good. Rebound by Moreno. Okay, labas. Mr. Moreno. Nice pass to Bati for 3. No good. Rebound by KP. Abaygar. Nice shot Denver up. Ganda naman na. Nice steal sa Nili. KP Abaygar. Ganda naman ni Yoyo. Mr. Yoyo. Malata eh. Abaygar, 2 points.
Batay!
Time out, red.
Sabi si... Edi yan. Dami na tama eh.
Alright, let's go.
Red ball.
Ang usapan na lang natin sa pito. The pito. Oo. Ikaw na.
Alright.
Good.
3 points at by Mr. Abaygar. Good rebound by the surgeon. Rebound by Clinton. Okay, no good. Pass to Mr. Steal by Moreno. Here comes Moreno. Okay. 3-point shot by Moreno. 3.
Jason. Hindi na.
Okay, turnover by the blue team. Up. Okay, number 17. We have 33 seconds on the second half. Body steal by Mr. Bautista. Nice pass to Banadera. No good. Rebound by Rendon. Oh, 2 points by the Magician.
Watch out!
Galariman, 2 points. And 9 seconds.
7, 6.
Alright, end of the second quarter.
Pwede ba ko po siya? Ito muna ako.
Saka sa mga idol ko. Here's now the surgeon. Oh, nice pass to Mr. Moreno. Mr. Moreno left-handed. Rebound by Banadera. Of steal. Ang galing ng steal. Nice. Oh, stepping po. Okay. Is turnover on the blue ball. Here comes Mr. Bautista. Inulit pa! Inulit! Back-to-back moves na yun, ha? Ang galing. Ang galing mo. Okay, here comes the surgeon. 3-point shot by the surgeon. Kumalo. No good. O, naglalakad si Mr. Maring, o. Para nasa luneta. Tama, din. Okay, steal by Mr. Moreno. Okay, Moreno. Nice pass to Mr. Corindon. 3-point shot by Mr. Corindon. Wow! 3 points by Mr. Corindon. Ha? Shout out? Okay, shout out po kay Mr. Handsome Boy na sabi na nagka-camera. Yeah, boy. Here comes Mr. The Surgeon. Layup and one! And one by Mr. Surgeon Mike.
13.
Foul number 13. 13. Who's 13? Okay, Nicole Bautista. That's her first foul. Okay. Okay, steal by Mr. Colindon. Inside, scrolls over. Nice pass to Mati. Stepping. Okay, turnover by the red team. Okay, Mr. Pancho Mundina. Nice pass to Mr. Banadera, guided by Mr. Magician, John Ray Galariman. Nice pass to Mr. Latoreno! Nice by Mr. Bautista. Si Mr. Latoreno nakakarami na. 2 points by San Miguel. Akalain nito to Mr. Latoreno na to. Okay. Mr. Latoreno, nilasing ko kanyang kapatid na si Angel para hindi makalaro. Okay. So, Mondina, nice pass to Mr. Alvi Banadera. Wow! Nice pass to steal. Foul. Okay. Foul, okay. Substitution, ref substitution. Okay. Pasok, labas na Mr. Banadera. Papasok po si Mr. Nuggetman. Denver, the Nuggetman. Panakain po ng nuggets to. Sobrang lakas. Here comes Mr. Galariman for 3. Oh, no good. Rebound by Bautista. Lead Blackon. Tuloy pa ng oras. 2 points by Mr. Mondina.
Hindi na ko yun eh.
Hindi pa po ng oras. Moreno for 3. Rebound by Bautista. Another pass big point. Oras ulit. Hindi na po. 2 points by Mr. Mondina. Up, steal by KP Abaygar. Oh, ito naman Ang daming ginagawa ito si Mr. Mundina ng ano ha. Here comes Delariman. What? Steal by Mr. Bautista. Nagmamadali na naman. Nice pass to Denver. Foul by Mr. Buddy. He's by Buddy. That's four. First foul. Sub after first free throw. 2 free throws to be awarded to Mr. Denver. The Nugget Man. Okay, Sam. Okay, after first free throw. No good. Sam. Pasok na po. Labas na yung mapapalitan. KT Abaigar and Mr. San Miguel. Pasok po si Ryan Maing and Jason Namonjaco Avalos.
Chaco.
Rebound by Mr. Kulindon. Nagmamadali po. Layup, 2 points by Mr. Kulindon. The score is 41-53. I-check pa natin yung mamaya. 3 points by Mr. Brian Mandino. Rebound by Kulindon again. Up! Mr. Caps Mr. Moreno. Moreno to Mr. Bismarck Bati for 3! 3 points by Mr. Bati. Jennifer Vergara, Mr. Avalos, 3 points, 40 pa. Rebound by Mr. Colindon. Pass to Mr. Moreno for 3. Short. Rebound by Mr. Nicole Bautista. Pass to Denver. All the way po hanggang pader. Okay, turnover.
Takbo magnanakaw kasi.
Here comes Mr. Colindon. Pass to Mr. Surgeon. 35 seconds to them. Nice pass to Bismarck. Pinoman to Moreno. 2 points by Mr. Moreno. Alright. Comes Mr. Bautista. 11 seconds, 10. Crossover. Ang ganda ng crossover. Nice pass. Okay, stop. 4 seconds. 3 seconds. At the end of our third quarter.
Para mamaya. May magtatay ko.
Morning to Team Swiss City. Mr. Lamparas Corino. Yeah, okay. The Surgeon. Nice pass to Delariman for 3. Wow! Promotion yung kanilang Mr. Delariman yan, ha?
Matatambakan.
For 3. Ayun, Dito ka. Rebound by Denver. Okay, here comes Apalos. Ang ganda ng sipat. Wala po. Rebound by Mr. Moreno.
Sa palayon.
Behind the back. Ang bilis. Okay, rebound by Nicole. Talaga nag-aabit si Mr. Nicole. Foul. Foul number 17, first team foul. Still. Wala pa pong nakaka-score. Kundi si Mr. Delariman sa fourth quarter. Here comes Mr. Moreno. Good pass to Mr. Sargent. Short.
Airball.
Hello, Mr. Good morning, Mr. Nicole and one. Talagang nag-aapit si Mr. Nicole. 2 points. Fourth quarter na. Okay, the score is 55-49. Bonus free throw is good. Hey, bonus free throw, come on, man. No, negative. Okay, he's coming to my body. Foul! Who's foul? Okay, Nicole, that's your second foul, Mr. Nicole Bautista. I need two.
We want Hardy. We want Hardy.
Yeah. First free throw by Mr. Bismarck Bati is good.
Dito na sila.
Let's see the second free throw by Mr. Bati. Short. Rebound by Bati again. Tumigil na naman sa free throw. No good. Rebound by Mr. Maing. Maing. Nice pass to Mr. T. Rodriguez. And foul. There's a foul. There's foul rep. Number 1, Mr. Magician. That is your Jalariman, your first foul. Taka-taka. It's your first foul, Mr. John Bray. Rebound the team. Second team foul lang. It's okay.
Let's go, Lee.
Okay.
Praktisado.
Football? Ito dapat yun. Hindi lang.
Fresh from Philippines.
Pasok yung kay Mr. Lee Rodriguez, di ba? Alright, how about the second one? It's good again!
Boundary?
Mamaya na Rodriguez. Dalawang free throw po kay Mr. Lee Rodriguez pumasok. Here comes Moreno. Pass to Bulindon. Ang ganda ng ikot. Block! Block mo! Block! Umawi, pinawihan, umawi. Dalawa. 3 points by Mr. Bati. Short. By Lee Rodriguez. Here comes Mr. Bautista. Nice pass to them. Nasobrahan po sa pagkain ng Nuggets. Eto na si Mr. Bulindon. Okay, block by Mr. Maing. Here comes Mr. John Montina. Oh, nabitawan! Rebound by Bati. Bati. Ang ganda ng pasa kay Mr. Delariman for 3. Ang ganda talaga ng tira. Time out, Blue. I'm sorry. Now time out. Okay, 2 points lang. Is it 2 points or 3 points? Is it 2 points or 3 points? 2 points, okay. 2 points lang po kay Mr. Delariman. Okay, bibilangin po natin ulit. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. That's good. 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 52. It's we have a correct score. Very good, Mr. Chimasinda. Okay, rebound by Mr. Surgeon. Nice pass to Mr. Moreno. Mr. Moreno, layup! Diretso, foul! Wow, foul by Mr. number 4. Yeah. Maing. It's your first time after first free throw. Mr. San Miguel. Alright, the first free throw by Mr. Moreno is good. Substitution. Nag-score ka na ba? 1 point.
We want Hardy.
Let's see the second free throw by Mr. Kyle Moreno. It's good again, nahawa po. They scored 2-4-6. Ito ang gusto ko, close game. Ganda. Nag-i-enjoy po ako pagka ganito. There comes Mr. Banadera. Nice pass to Lee Rodriguez. Ang great! Ang great!
Balibog!
Nice pass to Moreno. It's got to Moreno. Oh, Ingles! Ang bilakas mo! Ang galing! Okay, rebound by Mr. San Miguel. Hindi po naawa. Sa Banadera. Okay, analyze, Stephanie. Okay, blue ball.
Out, Mike.
4 minutes remaining. The score is 54-60. Okay, Mr. Banadera. Brian. Up. Alvin Banadera swiggling. Pass to Mr. Van. After 3 seconds, Mr. Lee Rodriguez. Turnover. Red ball.
Nang itlog.
Moreno.
Nadulas.
Nice pass to Surgeon. To the rebound for three. No good. Here comes Mr. Bautista. Okay, foul, Mr. Moreno. Number 8, Moreno. That's your second foul. Latoreno! Umbigot-bigot pa! Nilinis muna. 2 points by Mr. Latoreno. Okay, good morning to the living legend. He's in the building now. 3 points by Mr. Moreno. No good. Pang-autograph, Mr. Living Legend. Here comes Mr. Medina. Pass to Mr. Oh, kala mo parang dadang na ni Mr. Bautista yun. 2 points, Mr. Bautista. Okay, here comes the Surgeon. Foul, number 10, Lee Rodriguez. Kapal si Lee Rodriguez. Alright, 14 fouls. Red. First shot is no good. Let's see the second one. What's the shot left side? The second one is good. Okay, Panadera. Foul.
Teknika.
Capital. Now, the fourth one. No good. So, yeah. 10-point lead. Lee Rodriguez, pass to Mr. Ondina, to Panadera. 4 na lang po sila ngayon. Layup, rebound by Mr. Moreno. Nice move! Ang galing ni Mr. Moreno, 2 points.
Okay.